This is how to create a Slack account. So first we're gonna go to the App Store and get this app right here called Slack. We're gonna wait for it to install. Once we have the Slack account, we're gonna open up the app. Now we're gonna press go on. Here it will welcome you to Slack. We're gonna press get started. Now you can either sign in with your Google account, your Apple account, or your email. I'm gonna go with Google. Once you've logged in, we can create a workspace if we'd like. I'm gonna do that now. We're gonna type in the name of the company or the team that we have on. Press next. And here you can share a link, add to contacts, or add by email. These are the people that you want to add to your team or your company. So once you've done that, you can go on. Now here you'll name one of the projects the team will be working on. Once you've done that, we're on next. Here we can choose to turn on notifications or not. I'm gonna skip. And that is how to create your Slack account. You can explore here, you go to DMs, go to your mentions, you can search or something, and go to your profile on the bottom right. But that project that I just created, if we go back to the homepage, and you see right here in channels, this is the project that I created. That is how to create a Slack account.